Electron ring. In school, the electron is usually drawn as a featureless point. In energy filament theory, or EFT, that picture is far too simple. EFT treats the universe as an energy sea that can be stretched and patterned. In that sea, an electron is not a dot. It is a tiny loop of energy squeezed into a ring, like a glowing hula hoop that never stops spinning. This ring matters because once you understand how one loop behaves in the energy sea, the same rules help explain many other basic particles. The electron becomes a bridge from the microscopic world to the large-scale universe. The energy ring is never still. It runs around its own circle. That constant motion keeps it from collapsing as the sea presses in. A hula hoop falls if it stops, but stays up while you keep it spinning. The electron ring holds together for the same reason. Mass, in this picture, is how strongly the ring pulls on the sea. If the loop drags the sea tight, you must push harder to change its motion. That resistance is what we call mass. Electric charge is not just a label. The inner and outer sides of the ring do not pull on the sea equally. If the inner side wins and drags the sea inward, we see a negative charge. If the outer side wins and pushes the sea outward, we see a positive charge. Over time, this pulling and pushing draws thin lines in the energy sea, like creases in a leather sofa. Those lines are the electric field. Bring two charged particles close and their patterns meet. If the lines run the same way, they crowd and push apart, so like charges repel. If the lines run opposite ways, they mesh like zipper teeth, so opposite charges attract. Now let the ring move through the sea. The straight electric lines bend and curl in its wake, rolling into small whirlpools that loop around the ring. Drag your hand through water and you see similar swirls behind it. Those swirling loops of pattern are the magnetic field. So imagine an endless energy sea and a spinning ring inside it. Around that ring, the sea pulls in, pushes out, draws lines, and curls into vortices as the ring moves. Mass, charge, electric fields, and magnetic fields become four faces of one action, how that ring twists and tugs on the sea. Next episode, if the photon is not a tiny bullet, what is light in EFT? Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.